The costs that fall under the telecommunications umbrella typically represent the second or third largest variable expense for an enterprise, so it stands to reason that this investment must be tightly managed in order to maximize profitability and shareholder value. It's also a fact that the telecom system is a revenue producer as well. This means that in order to maximize the return on this major investment, accurate metrics must be provided to managers on a timely basis so that they can gauge how well this tool is being utilized. At the same time, it's very important to remember that the telecom infrastructure itself is subject to a number of security breaches, from the leaking of highly confidential information to a toll fraud attack on the system itself. So a comprehensive telemanagement system must also address these security issues. SAI has been the leader in the telemanagement industry since 1978. We pioneered the concept of the web-centric telemanagement system and have a client list that reads like a who's who of the Fortune 1000. This industry-leading standing has been earned through constant innovation, superior customer service, and providing the most comprehensive telemanagement system available today. The SAI telemanagement system encompasses products and services that cover expense control, revenue creation, and telecom security. SAI can help you control your telecom-related expenses in a number of ways. For example, by monitoring and reporting outbound calling activity, non-business use of the telecom system will drop dramatically, producing an immediate cost savings. Our bill audit service will recover overpayments on prior telecom invoices, which in some cases has totaled millions of dollars. And our bill management program will ensure that invoices are in line with negotiated rates and terms. We can even negotiate best-in-class terms on all your telecom-related products and services. The SAI telemanagement system will also automatically and accurately charge back telecom-related expenses to the appropriate divisions, departments, and even individual stations. This allows managers to take proactive control of this major expense in their areas of responsibility. SAI can also help significantly boost your revenues. For example, by ensuring that trunking is optimized, SAI helps ensure that your customers are always able to get through, so orders and sales aren't lost. At the same time, your managers will have access to detailed reports on productivity metrics. For example, sales managers can get timely accounting of outbound sales calls, including destination and duration, and then match these metrics with actual results. This type of information is crucial to boosting sales activity and orders. These days, network and telecom security is a major area of concern. Through the SAI telemanagement system, your vital trade secrets, intellectual property, and other confidential data can be further secured as we plug potential holes in your defenses. For example, we can alert you to suspicious calling activity, such as calls made after hours or those made to competitors. And because the system is able to quickly identify the telltale signs of toll fraud in the early stages of such an attack, you will also be protected from the potentially devastating effects of these types of all-too-common schemes. Revenue enhancement, cost reduction, increased security. The SAI telemanagement system delivers all these benefits. But what really sets us apart is how we do these things for you. First, instead of burying managers under reams of paper that is virtually useless from an information standpoint, the reports generated through the SAI Sierra Gold Virtual Telemanagement System, or VTS, are web-based. This means that reports can be distributed to decision makers anywhere and at any time, allowing better decisions to be made faster and with far greater accuracy. These reports also provide drill-down capability to any level of detail. We also make the telemanagement process much easier on your telecom staff. By automating the process of updating and maintaining the telemanagement database, SAI's Data Wizard eliminates the need for almost all manual data entry. The result? Faster, more accurate data entry at dramatically lower cost. SAI also manages the processing of call records and data backups, freeing up your valuable staff to focus on their primary objectives. Are you looking for increased revenue, decreased costs, higher profits, better productivity, tighter security, better decisions, more time? Then contact SAI for a demo. We'll show you what telemanagement for the 21st century is all about.